skin. You want to tighten this part of the skin. The ampule comes in 5 ml, 10 ml per face. 5 ml in one syringe, 5 ml in one syringe, 5 ml here, 5 ml here. You can fix up 3 points. 1, 2, 3. This area will get tightened. 3 months it will stay on. Everything is collagen modulation. After 3 months, everything will become flaccid. Again, you have to go in for a second shot. So it goes on, goes on, goes on. Then only we will earn. Because I get 3,000 rupees for that injection. Injection is around 750 rupees. Right, the method of injecting, that's it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
What treatment modalities you suggest for LPP and ashy dermatosis, sir?
Sir, what now I am doing, a sunscreener with Kligman's regime with isotretinoin. This may look odd, but please try one patient. Erythema dyschromicum perstans, there are different theories for the pathogenesis. One, it can be due to the TV tube manufacturing companies producing a fume. That's a fume one. Two, it can be due to whipworm. It can be even a hypersensitivity reaction. So there are lots of theories. In any condition, whichever you feel is not responding to routine therapy, what we have to do is, we have to induce a new skin formation, skin rejuvenation. Skin rejuvenation in dermatology can happen only with isotretinoin or acitretin for that matter. 20 milligram or 25 milligram daily. Continue for 6 months. There will be a definite reduction, sir. I will give lots and lots of examples because once LPP goes on to spread throughout the body, a fair individual will turn totally utter black. But we can revert it to around 40%, definitely with isotretinoin. Only thing, there will be little amount of lip cracking, there will be little amount of rise of LDL. That we have to see. Otherwise, nothing will happen. I am using tons and tons of isotretinoin, sir. If I am exactly correct, any cosmetic procedure without isotretinoin, without rejuvenation, without a new skin formation is not going to be beneficial. Right? Sir. What I am trying to tell is, you see a condition of LSA. Lichen sclerosis atrophicaans. You say you can't cure. You give a doxycycline. You think that this organism will get cured. This organism, nothing goes off. Try with some innovative things. What to do there? We have to burn that skin. Burn that skin. Induce a new skin formation. How to burn? Use 5-fluorouracil. 5-fluorouracil either topically, plain 5-fluorouracil topically will produce a big irritant reaction, sir. To avoid that, you can add a little amount of steroid, topical steroid, mix it and apply at night. Definite reduction. Definite reduction. Right? So see, we have to try, we have to try, we have to try. That too for a postgraduate, we have to do things. Now, we are on a trial with Halo-Nevus. Halo-Nevus, as such, the pathogenesis is anti-melanosomal antibodies which are present inside the nevus. Then, when you remove the nevus, the halo should also disappear. We are trying with that. If it is not successful, then the basic pathogenesis which has been described is going to become wrong. Then what is going to be the pathogenesis? That way we have to go about. Do things, do all the mistakes here during the postgraduate period, do all nonsense, then only we will learn. Otherwise we will not learn. Basic pathogenesis we know, just theory, classification, we will become a big zero. It's of no use, nothing, nothing, nothing. Pathogenesis, how to go about. You know the pathogenesis, then we can give a separate treatment, we can start a trial. See, I am in Apollo hospitals, but I am doing a trial there. We can do a trial in any patient. Patient will be cooperative. That too in dermatology, because 90% not curable. They would have got a frustrated career, frustrated life. In that time, if we can tell them that we can try with this, it will help them. Right?
Sir, treatment for dermatological purpura.
Huh?
Treatment for dermatological purpuras.
Don't stand. Don't stand, sir. Otherwise, stand on 4 legs. No animal gets dermatological purpura. Dermatological purpura is due to gravity. One, we have to remove the gravity, or we have to go on 4 legs. Sir, that is the only treatment. It won't go. It won't go. We can give little amount of vitamin C. That's it.